problem?
No problem.
No.
Maybe it's just
Namaste Estonia. Namaste Estonia. Namaste Estonia.
Estonia.
You can search.
Yeah.
I will
Right now you can search.
subscribe to you.
Of course.
So, what was your role in this movie?
In this movie I'm playing Norwegian child support group advocate Lars Christiansen, and I want to take away main character's children. So
Yeah.
I'm evil character.
Okay. So, do you know Rani Mukherjee?
I didn't know Rani before, but I googled her, and it seems as though she is really very big Indian movie star. So I'm going to definitely look her up, because I want to see her earlier movies where she dances and sings, because in our movie we don't hear singing and don't see dancing. But that's what Bollywood is famous for, being dancing.
And so, you said you are a big, you have seen the Shah Rukh Khan. So, Shah Rukh Khan and Rani Mukherjee both have started their career at the same time, and they have done quite much movies around 15 years ago together. And at that time they were so famous. But then Rani Mukherjee stopped her career due to some private issues for
Other stuff.
You want to work in Indian movies?
Like after this one.
Yeah, after
Yeah,
this.
why not?
Why not? Yeah. Is it enjoyable for you? You enjoyed?
It is very different from my previous work experience. Yeah, I haven't worked like this before.
So what difference you see in European movies and Indian movies?
Yeah.
As a story wise, as cast.
I don't know how to better say, but it's actually I didn't expect how to say it's Indian. I've been to India twice, so this movie is pretty much like it was in India. That everything is going on all the time, but you cannot like spot out what exactly is going on. My experience of India was about the same as the experience of the set of this movie.
So did you like the Indian food here in the shooting?
Yeah, Indian food is good. I enjoy Indian food. I especially enjoy South Indian food.
Yeah. South Indian
what
is
is,
really. Do you know the name? The dosa,
Yeah, dosa,
idli,
idli,
yeah, and vada.
Masala masala.
Yeah, masala dosa.
Masala dosa, yeah, with this big pancake.
Yeah, big
stuff,
pancake, yeah. And spicy potato inside. Yeah,
I like chapati.
yeah, chapati and tortilla.
But now we are in Tallinn.
Yeah, we are almost in Tallinn.
This is actually this one. It's more like Russian block. It was
Yeah.
big Soviet time called
Oh.
Lasnamäe.
Oh,
So they made a city of workers here.
oh. So majority are Russian.
Yeah. It was.
What is in India? When you visit?
I've been there twice. Once in northern part to New Delhi, Agra and Taj Mahal, Varanasi, Gangas, and Jaipur with the Raja
Another time I was in South India, it was like 6 years ago. I went to yoga school there. So the area was Thiruvananthapuram, Varkala Beach, and some jungle also. Some natural resort, but jungle.
Kerala is so natural. It's one of the purest air of India.
Yeah, air was pure.
Is a 99% educated people. 99% population. People know everything about environment and water and
If you want to watch this video, you can watch tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
It will come 1 o'clock.
yeah. Best of luck.
Best of luck. It's a different language.
Yeah, it's too different. Yeah.
Something Malayalam.
Malayalam. So they say they are the oldest language in the world. He said
Sandarashitasva
Patma, Kavabode.
Shreyase.
Okay, sorry.
yeah, you still remember it.
Remember something. Haven't done it in a long time.
So in which organization you go for yoga?
Right now I'm doing myself.
No, like in Kerala.
In Kerala it was a private school.
What's the name?
What's the name? Was
Not remember.
Mahesh
Yogi.
Mahesh Chandra.
Mahesh Chandra.
Mahesh Chandra.
Okay, Mahesh. Okay, so it was kind of private school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like in India, we also have a very big campuses for yoga and meditation and
Yes, no,
other
what was the
therapies.
place? One big the place where everybody does yoga.
Yeah, that's called.
Starts with P, I guess.
Yeah.
Something.
ये बेंगलोर में कोई है बड़ा सा
Bangalore है,
बेंगलोर
हाँ बहुत सारे बेंगलोर में बहुत
there is
सारे
one art of living. They are very big
Okay.
campus